Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create the waterfall chart in Tableau. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So waterfall chart is very easy to create in Tableau. It hardly takes 3 or 4 steps. So for doing this, I'll take the subcategory field and I'll drop it onto the column shelf. And then I'll take the profit and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. So uh, I will what I'll just do, I'll select the order of the chart. So here you can select the order. So as you can see, our bar chart is ready. So for creating the waterfall chart, you just have to click the drop down onto the marks card and then select the Gantt bar. So now the simple line is now showing onto our chart. After that, you just have to take the profit and drop it onto the size. So now as you can see, our waterfall chart is ready, and for representing it according to the color, you just have to take the profit and drop it onto the color field. So now if you can see, now it is varies from dark blue to light blue, and the negative side is representing the orange to light orange. So as you can see, the larger the profit, it shows in blue color, and the negative profit shows in the orange color. So, and also for creating the waterfall chart according to the sales. So for that, we can also do that. For doing that, you just have to drag the subcategory and drop it onto the column shelf. And now drag the sales speed and drop it onto the row shelf. So for here, so as you can see onto our marks card, so our drop down is selected on area. You just have to select the Gantt chart, and then here select the order of the chart, and then after that you select the sales speed and drop it onto the size. So now here you can see our waterfall chart is ready, and for representing it according to the color, you just take the sales speed and drop it onto the color field. So here you can see our waterfall chart is ready according to the sales, and here it is the waterfall chart according to the profit. So here it is how we can create the waterfall chart in Tableau. Thank you.